Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's Taylor. I am going to show you real quickly how I make my designs in Canva. So this is really easy and anybody can do it. And I'm actually surprised that a lot of my friends who do social media marketing don't know about Canva. But basically, Canva is a place where you can design basically they have pre-made templates or you can make your own templates, and it's really for your social media, so like infographics, Twitter posts, Instagram ads, ebook covers, channel art for your YouTube channel, posters, banners. They have certificates, social, like just a plain social media one, which that's the one that we're going to go into today, but just you can make anything on here for real. So what you do is you select create a design and you click the design that you want. And then you're going to come into the editor right here and you're going to see a whole bunch of different ones going down. Now, if you fancy and you like to create your own, here is the blank template and you can just start adding things like you can add photos, you can add elements, you can add text messages, text like words basically. They have pre-made template combinations, music, whatever. But anyways, I'm going to use a template because that's what I like to do. And so we are creating a template for my blog post. And this one is going to be for my co-schedule review. So we are going to just get right into this. And I think that we should look in here. I know this says real estate, but bear with me. We'll find a good one here. I kind of like this one. Okay. So, to change the graphics, all you have to do is click the photo that's currently on there, go into your folder, and or into your photos. So if you have the pro version, which is what I have, then you can use their stock photos. So that's what I like most about this one. And it's very inexpensive too. I want to say, I think it's $12.99 per month, which is not bad at all for everything you can do. And I use this every day. Every time I make new content, I create a masterpiece for it in here in Canva. So this one, all right, so looking Canva. What is Canva? Canva is a content calendar. So I told you guys are going straight through it with me. So, okay. I actually like this one because that's pretty much exactly what this is here. So we're just going to get that to come into place here. It's a little bit bigger than the other one was, but that's okay. And bring forward and bring forward. And so now I have this perfect little design. And actually I kind of like it better right there, even though it is covering up that one thing, but that's okay because I'm not even going to use that. So we are creating I made a co-schedule review. So what co-schedule is this a content calendar that you can have. Here is my content calendar right here. So right now I am working on making a social media campaign. So for my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook, and then my Pinterest as well. So Alright, so a revolutionary. I cannot spell right now, so apparently. And neither can Google, so that's great. Okay, so after you've created your breathtaking caption, which remember, it does have to be, you know, it does need to definitely be bigger than that. You know what? Maybe it doesn't. Okay, let's just do a custom one really quick. Let's do 40. Okay. So you can change the fonts right here. So they have some pretty cool fonts on here, just so y'all know. But I need something that's bold and catches people's eyes. Okay, that's really gonna bother me. We're gonna Google that. I cannot spell right now. That's so crazy. Why, when I get on here, can I not spell? Revolutionary. Okay, I think I spelled it right that time. I think I'm just being a bit dramatic right now. Paste. A revolutionary content calendar that's changing the game for bloggers. Okay. Yes, I like that, but I want these to be a little bit more spaced out. Okay. There we go. And then as far as this thing goes, I'm just gonna delete it. So all I did was select it and hit the delete button on my keyboard. It's just that simple, guys. And then we're gonna create a, I guess, subcategory or subheader here. So what should our subheader be? I think I'm just gonna put my website. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my website. Okay, so we are talking about co-schedule here, but we're not going to necessarily put co-schedule on here because we don't want people to think that we are trying to sell co-schedule, because that is not what I'm trying to do. I'm not an affiliate with co-schedule, and I'm not trying to sell co-schedule. I'm just trying to tell people about my opinion about co-schedule. So I'm just going to leave it as is, just like that. And people are going to look at it. They're not going to know what we're talking about right off the bat until they actually go to the website. So, that's how we're going to reel them in. So to save this to your computer, you just click download. And then you want to make sure that says PNG. It always does once you set it that way. So then here goes my beautiful image. It looks a lot better once you get it exported. So we are going to save that. And then we are going to go back to the calendar. So this is the co-schedule calendar that I am talking about. So I just made an image for it. So now what we're going to do, We don't want that image. We want a different image. You're going to go in here and you're going to just upload the image. So the image was, I don't remember what we saved it under, but it's in here somewhere. Okay, there we go. Bear with me, you guys. I mean, this is like, I'm doing this live and I've only been, I just started learning how to do this stuff, so it takes me a little bit, but I've got it in there now. We're going to add our social media profiles. I want to add it to my Facebook. I want to add it to my LinkedIn. I want to add it to my Pinterest and to my Pinterest site. I'm going to add it to blogs, business building, course creation, Pinterest ads, marketing 101, Pinterest marketing. I wonder why I did two separate marketing ones. We can go ahead and put that in email marketing too. So we're going to put that, and then we're also going to put that in Twitter. So that's how you select it, and then whatever you want the content to say, that's what you're going to put right here. So I have this awesome plugin to show you guys. That I think you'll like. I'm going to highlight some of the particular things that I like about it. Okay, so that's basically it. And then you click save. So this is what I have so far. So I have this awesome, see, and this is exactly why we read over it. WordPress plugin to show you guys that I think you'll like. I like that you can schedule a social media campaign directly through the app. And you can also post your blog, post to your blogs through their WordPress integration. Okay, so you want to go ahead and save it. And then if you look, it like has it pending to save to all of my stuff now. So we're going to do this basically 5 more times and you'll have a whole entire social media campaign. This is an awesome tool. If you want to learn some more of the uses of it, check out my blog post. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and stopping by. Have a great day.